Welcome again. Today we're doing a random house again, which we are viewing things. So click the subscribe button if you like our house shows and stuff. And so Charlotte is like saying Baba every time. Anyway, let's get this video started, guys, before Charlotte fails. Anyway, boom.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
This house looks nice. Okay.
This is your
So
guest
this is a guest room here first, and garage here, double bed. Okay, guest. Okay. So this comes with, okay, let's see. Okay, and this is your, wow.
beautiful, eh? So
Okay.
it's got your satin type kind of cupboards. All the cupboards are push
Okay.
open and close.
Push open and close.
It's
Okay.
soft close as well. So then you will find that when you close the stuff, it's soft closes. So there's no banging of
Okay.
the cupboards.
Oh, nice.
It's got a very nice feature that is here.
So this island is your kitchen. Yeah, nice. This island looks nice.
Your fridge.
Yeah, it's already stuff. You see?
And then you have here you can actually put 3 machines. So
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Two can have another machine there, so it fits in. And what's so nice is got the railing, because sometimes you want to hang your dish.
Oh, for you, yeah, dish clothes and stuff here. Babe, so you can put stuff here.
100%.
2 machines. About your washing machine, your dryer, and you can put your kitchen stuff here. Look at me pointing with fingers.
I like those fingers.
And this is what? This is like,
Two ovens.
wait, this is an oven. It's not like a, okay. But why you have 2 micro ovens?
Two ovens. If you cooking for a big family, maybe you want to make.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, this is nice. They already have this type of tap. I know this one because it's flexible and stuff. Okay, so do you pay extra because it's Mac and stuff?
The good thing is no transfer fees and stuff.
Oh, wow.
That's good. 2 ovens, 100% just
Wow.
And then it's got
Wait, Sean.
you got your trussel style. So it's
Yeah.
not your ordinary style. So this
Okay.
is your dining room area, your lounge area,
Oh, wow.
your area.
So this is your chill area. I guess Charlotte's looking at the pool. Is it a hot tub also? Or just pool here on? Yeah.
And
Oh, you have also a dry area outside. Okay.
our area, then you got this whole piece that's
Wow,
here.
this is nice.
Wow,
Okay.
it doesn't bite me.
Wow.
You've got your decking,
Yeah.
got your island here.
So basically, this gardening, no one waters it. You have to water it yourself, I guess.
And
Okay.
there is
You can
the
grow
water pump for the
everything.
pool,
You
and
can
you've
grow.
got space on that side there.
Oh wow, this is nice. Oh wow. Oh, okay, so water pump only and a bit of space on this side. Yeah, you got more space to do things. Oh wow, this place is.
Let's go.
Ah, we're coming this side. So how much electricity does the pool pump chow?
Oh, that I cannot tell you.
Or else can you turn it off? Are you allowed to even do that?
You can. But
Okay.
it's a small pool, so it's not going to be an expensive.
Yeah, shadow. Yeah, okay. Dude, I like the lights.
Lighting, the features. This is your coffee bar.
Okay.
That's where your coffee
Oh, your wine bar area thing. You can just hold it there, your Hennessy's and... Okay, it's nice. And also, I saw one garage, guest bathroom. Okay, and a guest bathroom here.
The toilet.
Toilet. Okay.
So we'll go upstairs.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, this one, I feel like the design on this one is like on another level. Because the other ones that we viewed, they're all similar, they look cool. But yeah, this one hits the pot.
Yes, it's also north facing, so it gets a lot of sun coming through. So it's
Okay.
very nice. You've got a mountain view that's on this side.
Oh yeah, nice view here. With the Devon Villa Mountains there.
All the rooms have their own ensuite.
No, you can see downstairs here.
So all the rooms have its own ensuite.
So this is the first bedroom or the master one?
First bedroom.
First bedroom. Oh, does it have floor heating?
Upstairs, I'm worried because of the pool, and I don't want you to be downstairs and be upstairs.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, That's how beautiful it is. This is a bedroom. It's just getting shallow now. But yeah, it's me here. Anyway. Oh wow. Okay, it's a shower. Okay, it's a nice bedroom. And also, I think this one will fit a queen.
Yeah.
Queen size bed. Actually, the king also can fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that the dimensions are going to be different, and one lighting is going to be covered. But I think this is going to be kids' room. That's right.
Yes.
And this is also.
Cupboards, your living cupboards. You can.
Oh, this is nice. Come, Shadow, come. Oh, okay, nice.
You've got a office space.
Office space here. Oh, okay. But why do people hate computers? Huh? They put them in the hallway every time. This is kids' study desk.
This is you a stand as well for a child and.
Okay. Oh. So the older one sleeps here. And also you have an aircon. No.
I can see that you are a trip with an aircon recently.
Yeah, it looks like an aircon.
Yes.
And a geyser here. Okay, that's cool. Oh wow. So each room has its own bathroom. Wow.
So this is the main.
How I like this one. Oh.
Closet styles in the room.
Look at, so this is closet style.
Many walk-in.
Okay. And more space, I guess.
Here.
Wow. I guess this is the main bedroom, I guess.
And that's your bathroom, all the finishes.
Yeah. Okay, this is ensuite with the shower. Oh wow, nice. I like this. Also, the mirrors. Wow. So how much does it go for?
I'll give you a pamphlet of the pricing.
Okay.
And you can have a look at that. So the developer that developed this home actually won an award.
Yeah.
He's one of the top developers. He's from Joburg, so he designed this place.
Okay.
When it comes to all the architectural and structural work, he didn't use your cheap materials. So he used more expensive quality on his piping, on his steel.
Okay.
It's not just on what you see, it's also on what you don't see.
Yeah.
Because he's actually put in a lot of money in the stuff that you don't see with the quality and the workmanship.
No, I can see the design is high quality compared to it's maybe something different. You know, when something is different,
You can see.
but for sure it's beautiful. Yeah, I won't lie, it is beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. So what's it going for? It's going for 5,580,000.
Okay.
There is no transfer fee, so you can have one of these.
Okay, I'll take one of those. This is nice.
And then what I'll do is I'll take down your details as well.
Yeah. So baby, this is the price of it. Is it 3 bedroom or 4 bedroom?
How much?
3 bedroom.
1, 2. Yeah, okay, it's 3 bedroom. Yeah, it's 3 bedroom. Okay.
3 bedroom.
Yeah. But it feels like it's more. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Because of the way it's been designed and so spacious. I was telling your husband, the developer's a guy from Joburg. He's a developer.
Yo, this is nice also the way out here. Yeah. I like this place, guys. What is it?
Price is the way it is because
Yeah.
not only is it designed,
Hello.
there's things that you don't see, like the structure of the place.
This is a small pool.
A small pool. That's my pool.
It's for everyone, but small. Yeah, it's a small pool.
I mean check.
I don't check. It's okay.
No.
Okay, Samba, let's go.
No,
Go to
small.
mom.
That's my pool.
Yeah, it's your pool. And also some trees outside here, guys. Oh wow, this is
What's
nice.
tree?
Yeah, you see trees? And also, wow, I like this. This looks nice. Guys, hope you enjoyed that. Wow, so we just got out now in the park now. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, this was a nice house to check out. Hope you guys, if you're looking to buy around Sandowns, come check out these new houses in this area, which they look nice, guys, in Cape Town. Yeah, we're in Cape Town, you know, Parklands, Sunningdale, Sandowns area. Yeah. Yeah, and also, yeah, it looks really nice, guys. And I'll see you guys next time when you're doing random walks and doing other weird stuff. Alright, guys, enjoy your day and goodbye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.